Kenneth Barry Marsden. His visionary leadership has made Conair Group a world leader in the development of aerial fire control services, and Cascade Aerospace a specialist in fleet management, maintenance, and modification services, resulting in major contributions to Canada's aviation industry. Barry Marsden was born on June 15, 1939, in Vancouver, British Columbia. As a child, he attended school in Creston, British Columbia. When he was growing up, he was fascinated by airplanes, and by 1954, he was holding flag markers in farm fields for agricultural spray planes to aim at. He earned his pilot's license in 1958 at Skyway Air Services in Langley, BC. He attended the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology's Aircraft Maintenance Engineering program, then began his aviation career as a pilot and mechanic at Skyway. In 1969, Marsden became a co-founder of Conair Aviation Limited, which was formed as a spin-off from Skyway Air Services. There he assumed successive positions including chief pilot, superintendent of flight operations, and director of operations. He logged more than 3,500 hours in aerial forest fire suppression and specialty spraying operations, including spruce budworm control. Under his leadership, Conair Aviation evolved from an aerial fire control operator to become a world leader in the development of fire control aircraft and products. The Conair Firecat was developed by modifying the Grumman S-2 Tracker military surplus aircraft. The first Firecat was modified in 1978, and the first turbine engine, Turbo Firecat, in 1988. In the early 1980s, France ordered the Firecat, and later it purchased 32 air tankers, including Turbo Firecats, F-2, and Q400MR air tankers. Marsden ferried some of the French government's aircraft to southern France. France is one of the many countries whose fire protection agencies adopted Conair's initial attack method of safely fighting the fires from the air. During the 1970s and 80s, Conair expanded significantly and added a helicopter division to support its forest management operations and provide services for mining exploration and seismic work. Today, the Fire Control Section operates more than 60 aircraft, primarily in Western Canada and Alaska. This fleet includes a variety of land-based, retardant-carrying air tankers, water-scooping air tankers, and bird dog aircraft. In 1991, Barry Marsden became President and Chief Executive Officer of Conair. By then, the company was maintaining its own fleet of over 90 fixed-wing and rotary-wing aircraft, and Conair began to offer maintenance, repair, and overhaul services to other operators. Marsden soon envisioned the expansion of Conair's third-party aircraft maintenance business, and in the year 2000 built a state-of-the-art 25,000-square-foot hangar at the Abbotsford International Airport. This new facility is capable of holding 8 Boeing 737 aircraft at any one time. The company changed its name from Conair Aerospace to Cascade Aerospace in 2001, with Marsden as CEO. Today, Cascade Aerospace has more than 650 professionals providing services to some of the largest airlines in North America, including Alaska Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and WestJet, as well as several major aircraft leasing companies. Always looking for new opportunities and wanting to enter the military aircraft realm, Marsden and his Cascade team assembled several world-class C-130 expert partners in 2004. They won a major contract to manage Canada's fleet of 32 C-130s for the Department of National Defence in 2005. This contract goes far beyond maintenance, repair, and overhaul of the aircraft. It includes fleet management, all of the engineering, modification, design, and installations, field maintenance support, and parts and supply chain management. Marsden is currently chairman of the board for both Conair Group and Cascade Aerospace. These two well-respected and thriving businesses employ more than 800 people and substantially contribute to the local economy and to the aviation and aerospace industries in Canada, particularly in BC. Barry Marsden is an innovator, interested in furthering aerospace education. He worked in partnership with the University College of Fraser Valley, UCFV, to develop the technician programs in aircraft structures and aircraft interiors. This innovative model for educating students is succeeding in meeting the needs of the aerospace industry. Conair Group has provided UCFV with one of its hangars to house its programs, giving it a permanent training base with room to expand its programs. Marsden is deeply committed to the aviation and aerospace industries and to the community, and has served a variety of organizations, including past chairman and board member of the Aerospace Industry Association of Canada, director of the Abbotsford Airport Authority, and director of the Industry Training Authority for the province of British Columbia. And Marsden has received many honors for his effective leadership, including Outstanding Achievement Award in Aviation Maintenance, Repair, and Overhaul, which he won in 2003 at Aviation Week's Industry Conference in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. In 2004, the University College of Fraser Valley bestowed on him an honorary Doctor of Technology degree for his long-term contribution to the Canadian aerospace industry. In 2006, he received the prestigious Médaille de l'Aéronautique from the Government of France for his innovative leadership and ability to meet the needs of the Government of France for almost 30 years. In 2007, the BC Aviation Council presented him with an honorary lifetime membership and Chairman's Award of Excellence for his substantial contribution to the aviation and aerospace industries in the province. Barry Marsden is married to Karen, who has been especially supportive of his two older daughters, Danielle and Darcy. Danielle is seen here with her 3 children. Darcy has 4 children. Barry and Karen also have 2 daughters, Christina and Michelle. All 4 daughters recently joined their father for a special occasion, the 40th anniversary of Conair. Barry Marsden flew a Boeing Stearman biplane, the same type in which he first learned to fly some 50 years ago. He is acknowledged as a man of vision and dedication. He personifies the qualities of an exceptional leader and entrepreneur, constantly striving for excellence with innovative ideas, energy, and integrity. Barry Marsden was inducted as a member of Canada's Aviation Hall of Fame at ceremonies held in Wetaskiwin, Alberta on May 30th, 2009.